Plenty of people polish resumes with AI. The real problem is not that you used a tool. It is the fake shine a recruiter can spot in one glance. Today we separate AI phrasing from human phrasing. First, patterns that get discarded. One-size-fits-all lines that fit every job. Adjectives with no numbers. Grand titles with no results. Industry buzzwords with no real scene. AI writes smooth. Recruiters hunt for proof. Where humans still win. Decisions you actually made. Failures and the fix. Your real role on a team. Results you can measure. Short is fine. Verifiable is required. If they ask about that sentence in an interview, a real story must come out. How to use AI well. Drafting, spelling. Structure, use the tool. Final lines, rewrite from your own experience. Do not copy-paste posting keywords. Translate them into your cases.